Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2021 Volvo S60 T6 Momentum in denim blue metallic with a blonde leather interior. This sweet little all-wheel drive sedan has just under 22,000 miles on it. Momentum refers to the trim level. This is the base trim level. And seriously, this is a very base S60. It has 3 additional line items on the Monroney sticker, and one of those is the destination charge. The other is the upgraded Harmon and Kardon stereo system and the rear diffuser. So everything else that you see are standard features on the Volvo S60. This one has the 18-inch wheels. It has keyless entry. There's a backup camera. See the dual integrated tailpipes. That piece in the middle, that's the diffuser. That's one of the line items. Pop the trunk. We'll see a ton of space back here. This has a 5-star safety rating, and driving an S60 is like riding on rails. Very agile, responsive. T6 is a 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine. Decent amount of space in the back seat here. And that sunroof has a power sunshade. Memory seating for 2. Child safety locks are right here. This has the linear lime deco inlay. And your seat controls are right here. This back one moves the back forward and back. This one moves the seat front and back. And then if you tip up a little bit on this, that'll raise the front of the seat or lower it, and you can do the same with the back. Lower that way. And then this fills up the lumbar support, and there's great lumbar support in these seats. You get a little Swedish flag sewn in. Your ignition switch is here, your adjustable drive modes, your parking brake and your brake hold, cup holders, a little power up front, and beautiful inlays. Also a public service announcement. Definitely don't put your credit card right here if you're at the gas station. The credit cards like to slip up into this space, and that's sort of an expensive thing to retrieve. It takes like 2 hours to dismantle this whole thing at the dealership to retrieve your credit card. So just so you know, don't let it slide forward. This has navigation. You can check your traffic or not. No traffic, don't check the traffic. Off to the left, you'll see your vehicle functions. That's where your backup camera will be, which will also switch on. When you shift into reverse, you can take those lines out if you'd like, but I think those are really, really helpful with getting you lined up with a parking spot. Sort of tricky to do while you're filming. Makes it pretty exciting. We can get this set up a little bit, kind of customize your Swedish sanctuary. So right now it's on chrome rings, or sorry, it's on glass, and the display is what I'm talking about, the digital driver display and your center stack here. So if we drop this down and you get into settings, if you go to My Car, Displays, and we choose the themes, now we can put the performance theme on, change it to red, and that changes the center stack with the red lines. You can see what you would like in the middle of your digital driver display. Now it has nothing, but we can show the media, and we can show a map if you like that. And then drop this down again. Check this out when we're in My Car, in Telesafe. So this is where you can, so driver alert, alertness warning, rest stop guidance, I like to have that. So if you are, when you're driving, the car notices if you bounce off of the lines in the road. So if you're sort of swerving this way and that, it'll say, hey, you need a cup of coffee, pull over. It's just nice to know if you're sort of driving. Sometimes you think you're driving better than you are, if you're tired. You can also just have a warning for the lane keeping aid instead of the haptics in the steering wheel. So that's completely up to you. There's a lot to know about these cars. This one is available for immediate delivery. It is stock number 6431A. If you see yourself behind the wheel of this, stop on by, check us out. We are at 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine, and there's a link in the description box below with all the details. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.